I subscribed to Sales Navigator for a long time. I loved using Sales Navigator back in the day when prospecting and social listening were a huge part of my daily activities. Today, they're not. However, some of the tactics and some of the tools available in Sales Navigator, I wish I had today. One of the things I wish I had was Saved Search. Well, you know what? I have Saved Search. Just a little bit different than what LinkedIn thinks of it. Now, I'm referring to this as the poor man's Saved Search. I can come in here and do a search for anything. I can do a search if I want to for electric cars. Hit enter. Now, I probably want to put quotes around that because I want to look for electric car and not just electric and cars. So hit enter. Now I want to look for post. I'm going to do a search for post. Now I want to do research electric cars, and I want to sort by the latest. I want to get that up on top of the list. I also want to find electric cars that the content type. I want documents or collaborative articles. Can I get one or the other? Show results. There's a collaborative articles. Now I can look from member. I can look for collaborative articles specifically from a person if I want to. I can also come here to all filters and I can say I want them to be from a specific company, posted by my first level or people I follow. I can drill down and find posts in a particular industry. Let's do automotive, automation, show results. And there isn't any collaborative articles, so let's not do that deep of a dive. So now I found post, sorted by the latest, relevant to automation, machinery, and manufacturing. I have the words electric car in the post. Now I have a really important search that I want to be able to look at over and over again. So what's the poor man's tactic? The poor man's tactic is to bookmark this search in a very deliberate way. So I'm going to click on bookmark. I'm going to put it in LinkedIn search URLs, and I'm going to rename it. Electric car. I want to do automotive machinery. And it's sorted by the latest first. Very deliberate naming structure for this search, and hit done. Now, if I want to bring that up at any time, all I got to do is go to my LinkedIn URLs, LinkedIn search, and there it is. Electric car, automotive machinery, latest first. Really a simple technique, but it's the naming structure that's important. Let's do another one. Let's do a search for electric cars. And let's look for people. I'll look for people that have the word electric car somewhere in their profile. I'm going to look for second level. I'm going to look for location, San Francisco Bay Area. Now I'm going to go look for industry, all filters, go to industry, and I want transportation equipment manufacturing. I also want manufacturing, show results. Now I've created a very focused search for LinkedIn members. People with the word electric car in their profile somewhere. Second level, San Francisco Bay Area, in those two industries that I chose. Now, how do I do a poor man's saved search? Hit the bookmark, and I'm going to rename this. Electric car. Second level. I don't need the word level. San Francisco. Automotive. And done. Now, anytime I want to work one of those lists, all I do is go to LinkedIn URLs. I put it all under LinkedIn search. And there they are there. Electric car, San Fran, automotive, electric car, automotive, latest first. I can bring up any one of these saved searches, either for people or for content, whatever I search for. Let's do a company search. I can look for automotive. Look for companies. Let's see if I have anybody that I'm associated with. First level right here, first level. I do have 19 results of companies. So I could drive this down further if I want to, by head count, by location, by company size, et cetera, et cetera. But once I have the company search that I want to look at on a regular basis, the poor man's save tactic is to bookmark that. How do I bookmark it? Automotive, company, first level. I don't need the word level. That's assumed. Hit done. And again, anytime I want to bring up my saved searches, I go to my bookmarks, go to where I save my bookmarks, and there they are. And once I've worked a bookmark and I no longer want to do it, I can right click on this right here and I can delete it and get rid of that one and only leave the bookmarks in here that I'm actually going to work. Again, get rid of the ones that you're done with or you're not going to work. The poor man's saved search. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. You don't need to pay the money that Sales Navigator demands, even though I love Sales Navigator. If all you want is a search result so for you to come back and work later on or work again and again and again, bookmark it and name it very specifically. I'm Teddy, all about helping you get more value out of LinkedIn, and I hope this is helpful for you.